On this week's episode, baked and air-fried eggless peanut butter and banana bread. Peel and place ripe bananas in a blender. Add almond milk or a milk of your choice and blend. To a bowl, add 75 milliliters of oil, 75 grams of sugar. I use light and dark brown sugar. ,200 grams of sifted self-raising flour, 25 grams of rolled oats, pour in the blended bananas and milk. Add 65 grams of peanut butter, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Transfer the batter into a lined baking tin and bake in a preheated oven set to 175 degrees Celsius for 50 to 55 minutes. This step is optional. Air fry the slices at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And that's it. This toasted banana bread with peanut butter is not only incredibly tasty, it's also quite nutritious and smells divine. Thank you for watching. Love you all, and God bless.